Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to enable notifications for selected posts on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your profile. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture to navigate to your profile where your posts are displayed. Step 3. Find the post for which you want to receive notifications and tap on the three dots at the right corner of the post. Step 4. From the options presented, tap on Turn on Notifications for this post to start receiving notifications for that specific post. By following these simple steps, you can stay updated and engaged with specific posts on Facebook by enabling notifications for them. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to enable notifications for selected posts on Facebook. Enhance your Facebook experience by choosing to receive notifications for posts that interest you, ensuring you stay connected and informed with the content that matters most to you. Enjoy a tailored notification experience on Facebook by customizing your preferences for specific posts.